Welcome again after a long time. Hope everyone had a very good Diwali and a very good time also. Okay. So now for the new people, firstly, we will directly come to the point without wasting any time on discussions. So for the new people, we will just revise everything again, how to use this stimulator, how to make profits, how to where to enter, where to exit. Okay. So what we will do, we will just revise once again, and also I'll tell you one or two new things about this tool, so that you can add it in your trading system. So it is basically a normal thing only. Otherwise, everything has been filtered over there. Nothing for getting confused. Okay. So now coming to the new people, if those people who are having any doubts, I am recording this video. So we will be sharing this video on the group, so you can refer on a later stage. So as of now, you can just follow what I am telling you right now. Okay. Firstly, whatever you have to check in this stimulator is check on 15-minute time frame. Okay, not 5 minute, 1 minute, 31, nothing. Only 15 minutes. We are very much getting around 90 to 95% accuracy in 15% in 15 minute time frame. Okay. So on the left hand side, what you see is the scanner, trend scanner. What is this trend scanner? It gives you a trend of all the time frame, like 1 minute में क्या है, 5 minute में क्या है, 15 minute में क्या है. So all the time frames are automatically been calculated over here, and it gives you overall trend. So for intraday trader, you have to look forward for this 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, ये सारा up में है या नहीं है for intraday. For positional I mean 1 or 2 day, not more than that. So they should look for this 15, 5, 1 and 30 minutes. 1 hour is not required. Okay. So other all things remain the same. So overall, what you have to look for a trading system is like at least in this 9 time frame, your trade should favor at least 6 to 7 times. Okay, 7 to minimum you have to look forward. Okay, so in this case, where you see Nifty as of now, 7 time frames are on the favor of upside and 2 time frames are in the favor of downside. Which are 2 time frames? It's daily and weekly. Okay, so that is irrelevant. So that is not required for us because our positions is valid for 1 or 2 days only. And then we go on trailing stop loss. So whenever this trailing stop loss gets hit, we exit it. Okay, one is this. Second is where should be your entry price. See, this is the entry on the bottom template. There is an details given where should be your entry, target, target two, and stop loss and trailing stop loss. Okay, you have to follow completely this. But how do you take a trade? Okay, we have incorporated just to give you more clarity 200 exponential moving average, which is this blue line, and 50 exponential moving average, which is this red line. Okay, so how do you incorporate a moving average? You have to just go into this one. What do you say? Moving average, insert over here. I'll just show it to you. Just have a look at it over here. Indicators. Then you have to do a trend, and then you have to go into moving average. So whichever moving average you want to put, this is 200, and then you can put as a 50. Only two moving average which we look forward for. Okay, none of the other moving average we look forward for. Okay, so this two moving average you have to put twice. Okay, and then you get these two lines on your screen. Okay, the candles what you see are customized candle. It are not Hakinishi candle or not a normal candle. It's a customized candle as per the software. Okay, the bottom what you see over here, green and red over here at the bottom. Okay, this gives you a idea of buyers and sellers. So whenever there is a green color, it is means buyer's trend. Whenever there is a red color, it is a seller's trend. Okay, so जब भी ये आपको कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करता है, मीन्स द एरो इज अपसाइड, नीचे रेड है, इधर अपसाइड है, you should not take a trade. You should take a trade on a buy or a sell side when all the parameters gets matched. Okay, so it will definitely match in all of the stocks. Okay, but same stock will not give you everyday entry and exit with the parameters matched. Okay, so now if you see a recent trade what we have taken just a few days back also, which is on a Nifty buy side. Okay, now you see over here. This is a nifty buy position, which was given an entry of 17,736. This was the entry price. Here you can read it. Okay. And also bottom you can read it. 17,736 over here. Okay. I will not buy this. Why I will not buy this? Because firstly, at the bottom, there was a red indicator. And also over here at that time, the indicator was not completely on upside or downside. It was mixed. Okay. I will wait for this to turn as a green. So when will I buy? I will buy near to this price only, 736. I will not buy at this bottom price also. I will not buy this as a top price also. Now where you see the market got sideways and then the trend was completely up, you see this. It has touched the bottom line of 50 and again bounced back. Again, it has touched the bottom line of 50. Again, it has bounced back. So two times bounced back. Now this again on Friday, it touched the bottom line of 50. Again, it got bounced. All right. So this gives you confirmation. You will enter at the same price, 736 with a stop loss of this one, 686. Okay. This is the stop loss. So I gave in the on the Friday session also in the group. If you can check, everyone knows it. So we are BTST on Nifty. Okay, with a target of 18,000 plus. So somewhere around 17,976, which will come on Monday or say afternoon. Okay, in the opening only it will come. So this second target, what you see in Stimulator is accuracy is 60 to 65%. It is not 90% accuracy. So whatever you take a trade in based on Stimulator, you should book 80 to 90% profit or 90% profit on first target. You should never wait for second target. You can wait for second target only when you are getting a trailing stop loss. So ये जो trailing stop loss यहाँ पे है 17,686 is your trailing stop loss. Okay, and actual stop loss is 524. Okay, so until this is not hit, you can trail the positions. So this is valid for Nifty. Okay, now you see this day also it happened the same thing. It got a sell signal. Okay, नीचे भी आपका red color है and यहाँ पे भी there is a red color and also the arrow has given you on a downtrend. Okay, but the downtrend it has given over here, the trend scanner was never down. It was on upside only at that time. Okay, if you check the data, you will get it. So this was never down. So we never took a sell entry in Nifty. Here also there was a buy trend. Okay, here यहाँ पे भी नीचे green था, but we didn't take a buy because here the trend scanner was at that time was not on a buy side. It was not on a sell side, on also not on a buy side. It was on a sideways. So यहाँ पे हमें कोई entry नहीं मिला. So we took an entry over here somewhere around this day, yesterday, 736 entry. That was an entry price. Okay. Now you see this day, this one. Whenever there is a crossover or 50 and 200, you are getting an entry in Nifty over here, somewhere around here. And you will enter only when all the parameters are green or all the parameters are red if you are doing a selling side. Okay, here you got a buy entry, again you got a sell entry over here, but the stop loss was not hit because stop loss was placed below this, and then there was a crossover over here and you got a full rally. Okay, in this you will hit a stop loss, but your stop loss hitting chances are very less. As I tell you, out of 10 trades in a month, one trade you will hit a stop loss. Okay, in index I'm talking. Okay, not in stocks. So in one trade you will hit a stop loss, but 9 trades will give you a good amount of profit. But you have to wait for at least target one. What many people do, they are entering at 17,736. Whenever they are seeing the 1786 or 17,800, they are booking profit of 70 to 80 points. You should never do that. If you are in the position, you wait for target one. Target one will definitely come. That is 90% accurate. Okay. Don't book profit before target one. In case if doesn't come, it will hit your stop loss, but your stop loss is very small. So in one trade, if it hits stop loss also, never mind, you will earn in 9 trades. Okay. So this is for bank, and all the charts what you see for the new people are on the spot chart. Okay, these are not future chart. आपको spot chart पे ही plot करना है. You should not plot on future chart or option chart. Okay. So this is for Nifty. Now coming to Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. See this. Bank Nifty is weaker than Nifty for Monday. Okay, see this. A stop loss is very small again, like 190 points, so 200 points stop loss over here. Okay, so Nifty is on a buy side, Bank Nifty is still on a sell side. Okay, why? Because the Fed meeting outcome is on Monday night. Okay, so impact will be on Tuesday. Okay, that is the reason they have kept Bank Nifty on a struggling level, but Nifty on a totally one side level. Okay, if you see Bank Nifty also, you got a very good buy side trend on Wednesday over here. See this, which was around 40,550. There was a buy side. Here down also, everything was buy. Here also at that time, most of the indicator will show you 7 out of 9, 7 will show you buy side. Then you go on a buy side, your target one would have hit it. Target, even target 2 was hit. Okay, this we traded also. We did a BTST and we traded around 200 points gap up in this. Okay, so this is for Bank Nifty. Now, how do you add this kind of stocks over here? You don't have to do anything. You just on the keyboard, you have to press Control and U. Okay, so Control U, if you press it, you will get all this NAC cash, MCA, everything you will get. But you have to go into NAC cash only. You don't have to go on NAC future or any other. Okay, and whenever you want to trade in option, Bank Nifty option, you can go for Bank Nifty option. Otherwise, you don't have to go for Bank Nifty option. Okay, and option also you have to trade as per the chart which is given in spot, not as per the option chart. Okay, now if you see NAC cash, you will see so many kind of stocks. So whichever stock you need, you can type it on this NAC cash, you will get it. Now you can tell me whichever is stock, like say Bata India you need. So Bata India, you double click this dollar sign, you will get green, and Bata India will come at the bottom. You see this. This is the Bata India chart. Okay. And then whenever you want to see the chart, you have to just drag this Bata India over here. So automatically it will come over here with a chart. Okay, whenever there is a buy or sell signal. Okay. Whenever you want to load this Stobotics stimulator, what you have to do, you have to go on the template and just have to go and load Stobotics over here. You can see at the bottom price. Okay, that's how it is done. Okay, so we have done this SBI also. It works. Bharti Airtel also very. Bharti Airtel, by the way, we have just hit a target in Bharti Airtel. So everyone made a very good profit also in Bharti Airtel. Even I had a position in cash. So I also made a good money. You can see over this. This is SBI. See this. SBI gave a rally. I have given in a free group also. SBI to buy it somewhere around 570. So this was 569 over here. So 570 it went and it went till 585. Okay. So target must be around 580 only. 10 points target. So you would have got all targets over here, and now it has gone into a selling trend. Okay. So now when you will enter a selling trend whenever is confirmed below this 50 only enter. Now see this if you, the sell indicator is giving you above 50 over here. यहाँ पे आपको 50 EMA के ऊपर आपको सेल दिखा. Never go short. Whenever it goes below this 50 only, then go short. Don't go short before this 50. It must be a trap. See, again, it got bounced back. Those people who have sold over here, if they would have got trapped. Okay, wait for this 50 to break and then you put a sell order. Okay, now you see this. This is a sell at 573 over here. And it has closed somewhere around 570. So 3 points profit. So Monday, this target will come 563. So probably from 563, this will get bounced back. Okay. So most of the time, what I have seen in current market, after 200, most of the stocks, most of the index gets bounced back. Okay. So here it's a clear trend of selling. Even this is giving you a sell signal. Even at the bottom, there is a seller's strength. And even over this side, it is a mixed trend over here on the trend scan. Okay. So this will on Monday give you a confirmed downside trend. Okay, but in 15, 5 and 30, it's giving you already a down. So majorly other things doesn't matter much. Okay, so you have to check this indicator because your position is only for intraday, either for next day. You're not going to take position for one or 2 or 3 or 4 days, or not for a week also. Okay, so these other time frame are irrelevant. Okay, so don't do that. Now coming to this open interest, we also have added this open interest chart over here. If you see at the bottom, uh, yes, this is Nifty open interest chart. Okay, this you will get in NSE cash. Okay, this is open interest chart. See this. So this is just for knowledge. Okay, those people who are trading in options, for them it is knowledgeable. So whenever this option chart gives you an uptick, okay, and the seller, there are seller over here, that means there is a huge amount of put selling. Okay, huge amount of put selling over here. Okay, because option chart is going up. Okay, that means market is going to go up. Okay, this is for Nifty. Whenever there is a downtrend and it is showing you a green color at the bottom, whenever there is a CE selling, this is a CE selling over here, because this open interest chart gives you a data which is available on NSE, where many people are highlighting the numbers like this much option, that much option. On this call, option is this much. On that call, put options are positions like that. So everything is filtered over. Okay, you don't have to check that chart. Okay, here everything you will get. Okay, so whenever this is down, that means call selling is going on. Whenever this is up, put selling is going on, which is very simple. There is no use of this 250 over here. Okay, so here you can delete this. Here there is no use of it. This is just for checking put selling is going on or call selling is going on in Nifty. Okay, and you can check this in 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes will give you more clarity rather than 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is too short time frame for option selling. But 30 minutes you can, yeah, 30 minutes you can check. Always 30 minutes for option selling, not for like say 15 minutes, 5-minute option buying, selling. It will be very difficult data, because it will give you false, many false signals. It will have a very limited data. So don't go for 15 minutes, go with 30 minutes for this option chart, option open interest. Okay. Now coming to Tata Power, we just gave you a Tata Power call in a group also. About 221 we have to buy. So here there was somewhere around 221, 22 only the entry price. So somewhere around this price only we got it. So in according to Stimulator, target 2 is already been hit. Okay. So we are still waiting with the trailing stop loss. So now my stop loss is as good as 222, which is my buy price. Okay. So we are holding good amount of, I am personally holding also good amount of position in Tata Power. So Tata Power has posted a result on Saturday, yesterday, with a very good amount of margin and a very good amount of profit. So I'm expecting Tata Power to go around 230 to 235. My personal target is 250, but yeah, 240, 235 is a reasonable amount of move which we can get. I'm expecting 10% move from 221. So from 221, which is the entry price, 221. That is because of result. Okay, this is nothing to do with kind of any calculation. This is because of result bet only. And at the same time, we got a crossover of 250. At the same time, we got an entry at around 222. Okay, so 10% is what I am looking at the rally. So that goes to 243. So 235, 240 is the decent amount of money we can make this in Tata Power. I think Monday, those people who are holding, they will get the whole profit. All right, so this was Tata Power. One is, yeah, Bharti Airtel. I will just show it to you. Yeah. See, this also hit our all targets. Okay. Entry was around 781 over here. You can see at the right hand side. 781 was the entry. This was, I think, a few days back, 2 weeks back, positional. Okay. And the target was around 804. So target also got hit. Now it is getting trailed. Now stop loss, earlier stop loss when there was a 782, 781 entry, the stop loss was 760 over here on the bottom line, you can see. Okay. But now the stop loss is 810. In case if hits also, you are still in profit because your entry is at 780. Okay. So if you are having two lots, one lot has to be booked at target one, and other either you hold it for target two or you trail it. That is very simple. So here all indicators gave you a buy signal at the bottom. Also, all the buyers satisfied. everything. Like it was completely a buy stock. You can see Tech Mahindra. This also works very nicely. Tech Mahindra. Okay. You can see this was the crossover of 50 and 200, and the entry was somewhere around here. This one, 1026 over here. Okay. And you got a target of around 1050. It went till 1085. 1097, and then it came down. Now here you will not sell it. You can see this at 50, because it is above 50. You will not sell it. You will wait for a closing one candle to close below this 50. So I'll sell it over here, and then it went to below 200 also. Now because it has went to below 200, you should understand this. This is going to fall very badly. Okay, you can expect 900 in Tech Mahindra. Okay, but you should verify this with the IT index. Okay, so Nifty IT index also you will get it over here. You can see over here. You can just type Nifty over here and Nifty IT. So you can verify this Nifty IT sector is going on a sell side or it is not going on a sell side. You can see over here Nifty IT is still not on a sell side. So you should not be aggressive. What do you say? Short on Nifty IT. Okay, just because the index is not on a sell side, because it is totally up. You can see over here it is totally on a upside. So whenever any sector which gives you a sell side indication, immediately sell all the stocks of the same index. Okay. Yeah, amazing power. Yeah, yeah. Power of moving averages Kaushal is very nicely. This is we have added just to give a double confirmation for a trade. Because if we are trading blindly because of the false signal or any, this is just to capture if the signals are false or if signals are true. Okay, this is for a safeguard of our capital. Sideways market, how to find out? So sideways market, you will only be able to find out when there is no indication, when there is no volume, and when there is a market is going on totally on a gap of 50 points. So in first 30 minutes or first 1 hour, you will know it. Now I will just show it to you an example. Okay, you see this. Like say this was the sideways market this day. Okay, now you can just see this first 30 minutes. You can see this. This was the sideways. You can see. You can just convert your time frame to 30 minutes. This is just to understand. Okay, you should not trade in 30 minutes. 30 minutes will give you a very delayed signal and a very slow signal. So all these are sideways. You can check this. Whenever there is a sideways market, you can see the market will not break first 30 minutes high, and market will not break first 30 minutes either or. Okay, so this will not happen. Now if you see over here, it is above 50, above 200 also over here. So it is a clear signal of buy side market over the positional. It is not a buy side for intraday, because intraday is totally a sideways market over here. And consider it's a thumb rule of stock market. Like 22 days are trading days for stock market. Out of 22 days, 10 days are sideways market. So 12 days are only trending market. Okay. Out of 12 days, 4 are expiries. Okay, so 8 days are only what you are going to make a good amount of profit, and 4 expiries also you make a good profit. So 12 days are a trending market, and all 10 days are sideways market. This is by default. Okay, so this is how the system is designed. This is not that what I have observed. This is how systems are designed. Okay, so this was the one. Next is this Bajaj Finance. Also works very nicely. People who are new, they should take a note of this. Which stock gives you a good amount of profit in Stimulator? Okay, you see this. Very clean and neat trade. There is nothing to hurry, and very neat trade. See this. Below 50, below 200. Clearly indication of sell. And here also you got a sell figure, and here also you got a sell. So all got sell, and you made a profit also. Okay, on the same day the target must have got it. Okay, again this you are getting a buy signal, but it is a false buy. Why? Because you can see at the bottom that's a seller. It's a red area. Okay, at this time. So, and this is scanner is as per Friday's market, which is not as per that day market. Okay, so again it is on a sell side. You are getting an opportunity to sell, so again you sell it. Again it is on a sell side, completely on a sideways sell market. Again it is giving you on a buy side. See this, on Friday it gives you a buy signal, but I will not buy. Why I will not buy? Because it is also below 200, below 50, and also there is a seller's trend at bottom. So that's a false signal to buy. These all indicators are showing up. It is false. So you should understand when it is false, when it is not a true. Okay. The only arrow doesn't create any profit. You have to use your own kind of efforts also how to enter this. So now here there is a no signal to buy and sell. You can switch to other stocks or index. You can Mac, you can just save the template. You can go on the top, save template over here. Whenever this indicator you are posting like 50 and 200, you can just go over here, save the template in the name of Stobotics and save it. That's it. So automatically whenever you open this, you will get it over here. Okay. You can just save that template. So whenever you want to not add this 50 and 200, so you will get automatically. All right. So now coming to Ambuja Cement also we gave a buy signal also in this also. This also made a very good amount of profit. You see this. This was buy from what kind of level? See this. It was buy from somewhere around this level 506. Okay, 506 it was buy and it went till around 532. Okay, this is above 50, above 200. So now how do you buy and sell? You will buy and sell only when you're getting a the whole thing in your favor. You will not buy and sell just because you are getting an error. Now you see this. On Friday, Ambuja given a sell signal over here. On the screen, you can see a sell signal. Why will I will sell? I will not sell. Why? Because at the bottom is green. Over here, everything is on upside. And so that's not a sell signal. You will wait for a sell signal. No, it will open, Suman. You have to just save the template, nothing else. You have to just go over here, save template, and close the this stimulator and again restart it. Okay, close the stimulator and again restart it. So then you will get it. Buying above 50 and 200, no, 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 not like that. Whenever this 250 are basically to understand signals are true or false. It is not for buying and selling. Okay, Hariharan. Okay, Suman, I'll just show it to you. Just a minute, I will just show it to you. Hariharan, understand one thing. 50 and 200 is not for, what do you say, buying and selling. 50 and 200 is basically to understand the signal of buy and sell which is given on screen are true or false. Okay, it is not for buying and selling. Okay, don't buy just because it is above 200, above 50, and don't sell just because it is below. It is a wrong way. Okay, your data and all the volumes also should favor you. It cannot happen like that. Okay. Okay. Now, how do we save this template? Just delete. I'm just see this. I'm deleting it. Suman, you can just have a look at it. Deleting it. This is also getting deleted. Okay. I'll just refresh it. Okay. And then I will just add it. Insert over here. Indicators over here. Indicators over here. And trend over here. Moving average. So over here 200. Okay, I will explain once again, Ariel. So this is exponential 200. Okay, I'll just add it. Again, go into insert. Again, go into indicators. Again, go into moving average. And I will add this 50. Whichever color you like, you can add it. Okay, this is added. Okay, then go on a right click over here, save template. Okay, I have saved as 123. You can just check. I have saved at 123. So I have saved it. Okay, so whenever I will open this next time, so I will just see this 123 over here. You can see this 123 over here on the top. So this 123 will get open. I will just show it to you how it get open. Now you see the thing. See this. This is a okay. I'll show it to you in a new frame. See this. This I'll add this 123. So this 123 became over. It's very simple. Okay. So just save the template, nothing else. You don't have to do anything else. Save the template over here. What do you say? See this. Where is it? Yeah. Save the template. It happens in terminal and this kind of some number and then templates. Okay. Don't save it anywhere. It will not come. Okay. So save it over here only where it gives by default. Okay. So you will get all the details over. Perfect. Okay. So now coming to all criterias of buy and sell. Now, if you see again, Hariharan, you had this doubt. Whenever you get a buy signal on the screen, green arrow on the screen, the candle is also above our 50 and 200. That means the signal is true. Okay. And also the bottom area of buyers and sellers are on a green side. That means the signal is true. Also the trend scanner, which we are seeing on the left hand side, is most of the scanner are giving you on a upside. Okay, that means it is true buy. So you can buy it at entry price, whatever the entry price, and follow the stop loss which will be given in the bottom. Okay, whatever is the stop loss which will be given in the bottom. Okay, so whenever you see a buy sell signal which is below 50, okay, over here, whenever you see a sell signal which is below 50, whenever you see this red color, but indicators are all on the upside and none on the downside, you will not sell. You will wait for a sell side. When you will sell, I'll show you when you will sell. You see this. This was a sell signal over here. Okay. This was a sell signal, but I will not sell it at this price. Why? Because it is above 50, above 200. And at the bottom also, if you see, all the buyers are buyers are strong over here at the bottom. Okay. So I will not sell. I will wait for the seller to come in. So sellers have come in at this price over here, somewhere around here. 17,760, 780, somewhere around 17,750. So I will sell it over here and then I will follow the stop loss and target, whatever is there on the screen. So now you will not see that stop loss and target because it gets updated as per the new signal. Okay. As I told you, out of 10, one trade will hit stop loss. Never mind. The stop loss is very small. You can see this entry price. Our stop loss is not even 50 points as of now. Currently, what we are seeing. Okay, Hariharan got it. Perfect. Okay, so now, guys, we will take questions and answers as in the questionnaire from you people. So you have any kind of doubts, you have any kind of query, you have any kind of anything to feedback for the stimulator, because many people are using this, I think, now more than 3 to 4 months. Some people are using it from 6 months also. So everyone are making good amount of profit, which I can see in the group chat. Okay, but those people who are not getting a good amount of bank nifty is weak. I told you initially only. So those people who are not making this kind of profit, so should trade. Otherwise, they will not make profit. You should trade compulsory. Otherwise, you will not make profit. What I am trying to explain here is, I am posting a trade. You at least trade that. Slowly build your confidence and then come up. That's how you have to work. But if you will not trade, I cannot help. Like many people are stuck with losses. So you should not do that. So now you got the simulator installed in each of the system, take an advantage of it and make a good amount of profit. I think many people are making as of now, but there are few people, 4 to 5 people who are not able to make it, but I'm helping them also. So everyone can make it. Okay. So yeah. I'll explain you this cubic and square numbers also in some time. Okay. So now we will just, I'll disconnect this session and you guys please reconnect it because this session is going to get expire. Okay. So that first we'll take questions and answers from everyone and then we will look forward for. Okay. If you have any kind of questions, please ask. If you don't have any questions, everything has been understood, then it's okay. Don't be fearful asking silly questions also. Please ask. I'm happy to help everyone. That's why I have come over here after Diwali so that we can get what do you say conversation with each of them and then we can understand what is the difficulty going on in your trading thing so that we can resolve it. Okay, perfect. So reconnect the same link. Okay, so I'll just disconnect.